Tips for interior designing. Start with a neutral base. Before you begin decorating, it's important to choose a neutral color palette for your walls, floors, and larger furniture pieces. Invest in quality lighting. Good lighting can make or break a room. Invest in a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting space. Add plants. Bring some life and color into your home with plants. Not only do they improve air quality, but they also add a natural element to any room. Layer your textiles. Adding layers of textiles to a room will make it feel cozy and inviting. Use a mix of patterns and textures, such as a wool throw over a smooth leather couch. Mix high and low-end pieces. To create a stylish and unique look, mix high-end statement pieces with more affordable decor items. This will give your space a collected and curated feel.